This video explains how to manage locations in your SteelCRM database. We start by logging onto the system. We can search for locations. Expand the Customer Database section, if needed, and click Find Locations. As with contacts and organizations, the system will find locations with similar names, or you can search by other criteria. If we specify no criteria at all, we get a list of all locations in the database. The General page contains the most used fields, including the address. A location can just be an address. The type and name are optional. They are useful for corporate locations such as building names or a company location code. The Who's Here page lists all contacts and organizations at this location. We can edit the contact record from here. Let's add the location of Jake's shop. Wait! We don't have a location type for shops. We will first need to make a new location type. Let's do that now and come back to this. We will take the shortcut back to the dashboard. Expand the customization menu if needed and click the Location Types button. You can add, edit, and delete location types here. If you delete a location type, all existing locations of that type will remain, but with no type specified. To add a new type, click the New Location Type button here. You must specify a short name, or the item will be deleted automatically. The active option can be used to hide old types, which you no longer use from the selection list, but do not want to delete entirely to maintain the historical record. Click OK to save the new location type. Let's get back to Jake Smith and add his shop location. To add a new location for Jake, we just enter the details here and click Save. Note how the system cleaned up the capitalization and expanded AVE to Avenue. Jake has just hired Michael Young, a new employee to help in the shop, and wants to add him to the database. We will add Michael's contact record. As we have seen with organizations, the system recognized that there is a location, which is similar enough to assume it's actually the same location. We will enter the shop details. Note that we omitted the exact street address, but included the suburb details. The details may be close enough to assume that this is the same place as the existing shop location. Otherwise, the system will make a new location with these details. There is a shorter way to enter addresses by including the suburb, state, and postcode in the street address field. This can be useful when you are copying and pasting an entire address line from a web page or document. Let's add Michael's home address. If we delete this address from Michael's list of locations, it does not delete the location. It just disconnects it from Michael's contact record. If we add that location again, it will find it again. To delete the location entirely, you need to edit the location, and then delete it using delete mode. All of this might seem complicated, but the overall effect is that you just enter what you know about a contact, and the system works out the data items automatically.